having lunch where? Captain Jack's. Ready to go in and have some barbecue? All right, come on, let's go.
Gonna leave.
Yeah, everything should be fine here.
Let's go and have some seafood.
So Captain Jack's was a really good place to go. What was it? How many weeks ago? 6 weeks ago? 8 weeks ago?
Yeah.
Where it was really hot out, and I thought it would be a good idea to come out here and go for a ride. So we took the bike. And we'll see you inside.
What did you order, Han?
I ordered the mac and cheese, barbecue mac and cheese with the beans. What did you get?
I ordered pork belly
Nice.
and some potato salad and green beans.
This place is very known for their barbecue, so we're going to show some of the awards.